Perched gracefully upon the slopes of Lo Barnechea in Santiago de Chile, the CG house commands attention with its strategic placement on the hillside. Its site selection was a meticulous process, hinged upon a restrictive canal boundary that sculpted the available building space into a slender strip, barely stretching 5.5 meters at its narrowest. This unique constraint birthed a design that stretches parallel to the canal, giving rise to an elongated structure housing the vibrant heart of the home on the first floor, an interconnected space comprising the living area, dining room, kitchen, and essential services. Meanwhile, the second floor hosts the sanctum of rest, the bedrooms, a children's lounge, and the bathrooms. A play of contrasts defines the architectural narrative here. The ground floor exudes an airy vibe, characterized by a fusion of metallic and brick framework and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows. In stark contrast, the second floor asserts its presence with a sleek metallic facade, cloaked in a commanding black coat, seemingly floating above the landscape, strategically harnessing panoramic vistas and embracing the natural gift of sunlight.